Home sweet home,
Oh my
boys.
God, I got this.
And it's up to us to keep it that way. All right. Time to show those clankers Camino's not
Clankers?
big on
Hey, that's racist.
Ow! That's machinist.
Rally up, troops.
That's a big ass.
Rally
Guess
up,
who gets
troops.
to kick those metal screwheads
Let's
back
fucking
into
get it.
orbit.
The camo dude.
You know.
Is there friendly fire on this?
You know the drill.
I have no idea, but it's like, how many of us?
Is there voice chat?
Yo, why is
Yeah.
he fucking tipping so hard?
We have Pure Red 96 on our team. Okay, that's that.
Bro, I'm just following whoever this is.
Enemy is gaining reinforcements. No! I'm going
I don't know
with
where
some.
I'm going.
I don't either. Following somebody.
I'm on pure red. I guess I'm going on pure red.
That's what
I'm
I'm
following Bushwookie.
Yeah, I'm They're right here at C! You fuckers!
I'm coming!
I got Steve! There's a motherfucker right there! I got one!
I got one too! How do I crouch? How do I crouch? Oh my god, I'm dead!
I'm dead!
I got 242 battle points.
I got another one!
Or... not good.
I got one!
Oh my god, dude shot me that far? He's a sniper.
They sniped me, man. They sniped me, bro. I got a Wookiee warrior available. Oh, no. This guy. Yep.
Got an assist. Oh, that dude's got a shield. Grenade out!
How do I roll?
I leg meted him. Oh, I'm dead. Enemy attack!
I burned my hand.
Oh yeah. Got thermal
Dark
scope
Maul
on
is
it.
here.
Get a kill here, too.
Killed one. I'm trying to shoot that. There's a entry gun or something over there. Got it. I destroyed it. I destroyed it. Oh, what the? When I walked. Oh, I didn't switch them. Oh my god. Can I heal? How do I heal? Okay, just brings your health back.
We're taking command post S.
Oh shit, that dude's running around with some like lightsabers and shit.
Yeah, man, they got fucking guns.
Oh my god, I'm dead.
I gotta figure out.
I gotta quit going down the middle.
Push fucking down!
We're flanking. We're flanking left.
Who's that?
We're flanking left.
Go, no, Dave, no, no, no! Oh! Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, he shot a rocket at me.
I'm getting specialist. I'm getting specialist.
Oh god, what happened? I can't see shit. I'm blinded.
I got it. Fucking, there's Darth Maul!
Pushing in.
Fuck!
Pushing in. Go, 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 go.
Fucking Maul!
Who the fuck is way over there? Door open. Oh my god!
No! Behind us, Chris!
What? Hey.
They're clouds! Get your clouds!
Killed one. Killed one.
Kill one.
Killed another one.
Whoa, what the? How?
Grenade out! Oh, I killed another one!
Snipers! We're getting spooked on!
Pushing in, pushing in, pushing in.
Oh my god, I can see this guy. I'm gonna spawn in. Spawn in. at? B? B?
Yeah.
Holy shit, what does
Right
this
here.
do?
Push it.
Oh, that's a one hit.
Oh, you got
Hell
the-
They're in
yeah.
the hair, dog. They're in the hair.
It's okay, come this way. Cover.
I got the commando too. Oh shit, I fell. Okay, go. Oh shit! Ah! What the fuck did you bring me down?
Oh no!
I'm at E.
Got fucked.
Oh, fuck. Dead.
Really, dude. Right back on there.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to you as one of those guys. I'm coming with you.
I think jump over
Give
the
it any
rail.
more positions to
We
the
only have one
Separatists.
fucking.
They have enough already.
I'm going, come, Chris. I'm coming.
Ah, he
Where you
fart
guys
choked
at?
me!
Where you guys
Oh,
at?
kind of nut.
Oh, shit! Look for that guy behind us.
Yo. That man's crazy.
Oh, we can spawn on C.
Go to sea!
Oh!
I'm coming!
Oh my god, what is going on here?
Oh! Oh!
Oh, Jesus.
Oh! Look at the kill me!
Now spot C, and I'm gonna go D. You're going the right way, Chris. You're right in D. You're right. They're all there.
There's so many people over here. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm getting messed up by a lightsaber.
We're losing C. We lost C. Oh, we lost B.
Yeah, that's what I keep
That ain't
using, but
great.
you're super slow.
Yeah, that's true.
I've just been waiting to find like a corner.
Hang on, I'm putting a shield up. I don't know what this does. Oh god! Roll out! Roll out!
I got you!
Over.
Reloading, reloading.
Seems the Archclanker Grievous has joined the battle.
Going A, going A. Go take A back.
Hey!
Yeah. Oh my god, there's a lot of people in there. Oh yeah. Using this grenade launcher right now. Oh yeah, I'm killing some people.
I'm dead.
Oh! You're dead too.
Yeah.
I'm going to the right.
Fucking
I'm
down.
going to the right. Where?
Where you at?
Going right back to you. Destroy some of them.
Oh my god, there's so many people. There's so many people. I need a grenade launcher. Oh, someone closed the door on me when I threw my grenade. Oh, what the hell? Oh, what the hell did I get into? I can't see nothing either.
Right there!
Shoot that other guy. Shoot that other guy.
I killed him!
Oh, grenade out.
General Grievous has been spotted.
Not even sure what all this shit does. Oh god, get in the door.
Holy shit!
Damn!
Can't help you.
Oh. Oh, I got by a
Go back in the ball.
dioxix grenade. I think we're about to lose this one worse.
I can't get down!
The Sepi's transports are being boarded.
They're boarded! Stop that!
Reload, reload. Oh my god, I'm about to die from this
Flanker
gas.
transports are almost done boarding.
Gotta defeat the boarding enemies.
I'm just shooting it. I don't even know what we're doing.
Gotta,
Yeah, no, Grievous
gotta
is
kill
coming.
the people from boarding in.
Oh, I killed him! I killed him! I fucking killed him! I'm dead.
Oh no.
Transports will be
Oh, I did it!
Look at
Ready
that.
to defend the Minotaur.
Don't let him escape.
Darth Maul is
That's
here.
it.
Stay focused.
We got
I did
destroyed.
not let him escape.
We got
I don't like where this is heading. Let's find you a transport ship. You don't need to be a Jedi to know what those droids are up to.
not mad. I don't know.
I gotta,
any of the controls.
yeah, I gotta figure out what all these like
We can't
extra
let a
special
bunch of
shit does.
destroy our
Defend
ship.
defend the door controls. We gotta defend
Stay
the.
here! It's joyful!
Oh shit! Return to objective. Oh god! Oh god! We're getting surrounded.
Hold the line!
Oh, I'm down.
We're coming back.
Simians are taking the objective.
Stop that!
Oh my god, there's fucking two dudes here. Oh, they fucking massacred me.
At least you can reload quick if you hit the button in time. If you look at the bottom.
Yep. Came out using that special ability and they all just
Okay, I'm pushing the left.
they're all over B.
Oh shit!
Sacrifice.
That dude's blocking my bullets with his lightsaber. What the fuck?
Oh, getting
Simians are taking
fired.
the objective.
He's dead.
Lost. It's broken through. Fall back.
Dead.
Concentrate the defenses around
Oh
the
my
last
god, I can
objective.
fucking I'm out.
Oh my god, they're up here with us! Oh shit!
I don't know what the fuck it is.
Oh my god, oh my god. I'm gonna die from the gas. Oh, no way. No way. There's so many right here. Push forward! People with their shields, move forward!
The objective is taking damage. We must stop them. We're losing the objective. Go there and protect it. Hostiles have destroyed the target. Ship lost. Now go to the escape pod.
Lost.
Dude, I got shit on so hard as Anakin.
All we can do is hope we
I tried to see this one dude, he just was blocking my bullets with his lightsaber. Like, what the fuck?